Do you want to know everything there is to hair oiling the right way? Then keep watching. How do I pick the right hair oil? Look out for 3 things. Oil should be produced organically, it should be extracted from nuts and seeds through a non-chemical process or popularly known as cold pressed, and finally, it should be unrefined and not over-processed. Which is the best hair oil to use? We suggest using argan oil, coconut oil or olive oil depending on the thickness and type of your hair. How much hair oil should I use? When it comes to oiling, less is more. Oil overload makes washing your hair difficult, leading to using more product than you normally would use, making your hair even drier. Avoid this by starting off with 1 tablespoon of oil and gradually increasing the quantity depending on your hair length and density. For a dry scalp, focus on oiling the scalp. For an oily scalp, focus on oiling the ends of your hair. Should the oil be heated? Yes, as warming your hair oil leads to better absorption and faster hair growth. How should I apply hair oil? Start with detangling your tresses to get rid of any knots before you apply your oil, as this avoids hair breakage and makes the oiling process easier. For thicker hair, section your hair to ensure you don't miss out on any spots. Use a little cotton and apply the oil all over your scalp. Massage it gently to soak in and de-stress. You can even opt for a scalp massager for a gentle chumpy. Avoid being rough or rigorous, as this causes excess friction and hair breakage. How long should I keep the oil on? Contrary to popular belief, leaving oil on overnight isn't the best way to go. It leads to dust accumulation and weakened hair strands. Instead, switch to leaving it on for only 1 to 3 hours for best results. How can I take my oiling to the next level? You can level up your hair oiling game by warming your oiled hair in a warm microfiber towel or t-shirt for 15 to 20 minutes before washing it off. You can also steam it to help open up the cuticles for better oil penetration. How often can I oil my hair? Stick to oiling your hair up to twice a week so as to not interfere with the scalp's natural sebum production and pH balance. Hope this video answered all your hair chumpy questions. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.